Thanks Raj Chudasamaji for inviting me to the Rana Convention and introducing me. I am Dr. Jayendra Singh Jadeja, working as the professor and head of the department at Medical College. For 25 years I was at BJ Medical College, Ahmedabad. For retirement I am at Rajasthan. Respected Chief Guest, General V.K. Singh Ji, the President of the Rana Rajendra Singh Solanki, the Chairman of the Rana Convention K.N. Singh Ji, the Convener Naresh Kumar Chawda Ji, the Rana members from the USA and Canada, and also I am informed members from the Australia, Rajput Samaj and Rajput Samaj of UK are present. The representative of Dubai Rajput Samaj and Kenya Rajput Samaj, and from India. Thanks for invitation and opportunity to meet all of you. I want to inform you that we had a privilege to get together the Rana office bearers, Dheeraj Singh Ji, Yogendra Singh Ji and all, and the Rajput Samaj UK delegates from Dr. Ashok Singh Jadeja, Bharat Singh Parmar, etc. They all came together. First time they met in 2003 in first Rajput International Conference hosted by us in Gandhinagar. There were 12,000 delegates, and it was a great experience to meet the people from all around the world. First time ever. One of my friends in the Rana, as I discussed what I should speak this Rana Convention, he told me, because you don't know circumstances here in USA, better you speak about your organization and what you are doing. So I entered the Rajput Samaj activities in 1982. I was brought by Daulat Singh Jadeja, who is was the father of the Ajay Jadeja, who is cricketer, well-known cricketer, and he was member of parliament for more than 20 to 25 years in Jamnagar, from royal family of Jamnagar. He brought me in the Samaj because I was basically a scientific person, so I tried to bring science to the activities of Rajput Samaj. Thereafter, in 1985, the Akhil Gujarat Rajput Yuva Sangh was founded at Porbandar, and today it is a huge organization spread across the 17 districts of Gujarat, having more than 1 lakh members and 5,000 workers. Membership wise, it is the biggest Rajput organization in the world. I am proud to be associated with this organization, and since its inception, 1985, we had a movement for a long period of time, for 10 years, from 87 to 97, about the widow pension. Any lady who does not remarry should be given government aid. And after 10 years of struggle, we got sanction in 1997, first time, permanent widow pension. Today the widows of Gujarat are there getting 1,250 per month, and we extended this movement to many states of India. And many states of India are getting the widow pension now. Thereafter, we focus on a Bhuchar Mori, martyrs of Bhuchar Mori battle, which is the biggest battle in the history of Saurashtra. And we had defeated Akbar Badshah 2 times, in the 1630 and 1640, and then this was the Bhuchar Mori battle. Every year since 1992 we are organizing a huge Pucharmori Shahid Shraddhanjali program. You must have heard in 2019, more than 2,500 Rajputanis established a world record of Talwar Baji, where the General V.K. Singh ji was our chief guest. I like V.K. Singh ji because he is a symbol of honesty in public administration. So this is, which is rare quality nowadays. In 2005, thereafter we have founded more than 3 girls hostels. 2005 N.K. Jadeja Rajput Kanya Chhatralaya at heart of city of Rajkot. 2007 at the Jamnagar Basi Hiraba Ramsi Jadeja Rajput Kanya Chhatralaya. 2010 at the Surendranagar Nainaba Mahendra Singh Jadeja Rajput Kanya Chhatralaya. Up till now today we have founded more than 8 institutes, about 8 institutes which are functionally, smoothly managed by the help of local Karyakata, and we also are involved from the state level in the management. 2016 we have founded a first in India, the Rajput Pasi Nainaba Mahendra Singh Jadeja IAS Bhavan at the heart of city of Ahmedabad, Ambawadi, Ahmedabad. And in Ahmedabad we have 3 institutes. Rajput Kuldevi Mandir was founded in 1999, and the idea was to unite all Rajputs. So Kuldevis of 14 types of Rajput, 14 Kuldevis are there, just opposite the civil hospital Ahmedabad in Asarwa, in the heart of city of Ahmedabad. So Rajput Kuldevi Mandir founded in 1999. At the ground floor, 14 Kuldevis Mandir is there, and in the other 2 floors we have Rajput guest house, where we give any patients who come to civil hospital or any other hospital, relatives are given accommodation at a very token rate of 150 per day, double seated room. So it is very useful and always remains houseful. We also have, total we have 3 institutes at Ahmedabad. One is this IAS Bhavan, I told you, the Rajput Kuldevi Mandir, and third is Satimata Mandir, which is in Assam Road, Wadaj, in memory of a Satima, the battle before 250 years at Ahmedabad, in which the Ganeshji became martyr and Bast Gunaba became Sati. We have also organized huge Rajput Business Expos in 2018. Great business expos organized at Ahmedabad, in which the delegates from 13 countries of Rajputs they participated, including Rana Dheeraj Singh ji, Prakash Singh Chauhan, the Dilip Singh Rathod, Daulat Singh Rathod, they all participated. From the Rajput Samaj UK also, the all office bearers they participated, and it was a huge success. We have also established contacts in the other states of India. In about 18 states we have contact. For that we have founded Kshatriya Dharma Sansad, which is a federal body of 300 Rajput organizations from 18 states of India. And in 2019 we had a huge, first ever Kshatriya Dharma Sansad at Varanasi in 2019. At international level also, we organize Rajput international conferences. First, as I told you, in 2003 at Gandhinagar, in which more than 12,000 delegates were there, and first time from the Rana and Rajput Samaj UK. And in 2004, 30 August, 31st August and 1st July, at Mill Hill Club, London, which was hosted by Rajput Samaj of UK. At that the president was Bharat Singh Parmar and chairman of the Board of Trustees, Dr. Ashok Singh Jadeja. There are 97 delegates from Rana also came to the London. In 2005, in New York, the third Rajput International Conference was organized. We had sent 20 people as delegates from India under the leadership of P.T. Jadeja. I could not come, unfortunately. So we are also organizing every month the Rajput Parichaya Milan for boys and girls for marriage purpose online. It is a huge success. We have up till now, every month we are organizing on last Sunday, and up till now 11 such online Rajput Parichaya Milan are organized. And offline we are organizing since 20 years. We have expertise in this field, and I invite you all to join this, because to marry in Rajput, Rajputana is a personality which is never found anywhere in the world. So many people join for 5 every month from NRI families. They join this Parichaya Milan. I invite you all. We are sending the links for the filling of the forms to Overseas Rajput Forum and others. I will also try to send the link to the Rana. So thank you for giving the opportunity to meet all of you, and I am always in live contact with the Rana office bearers since many years. Dheeraj Siji is good as our senior advisor, always in live contact with Yogendra Siji, then Mahavir Siji Chudasama, Akash Siji, the many dignitaries from Rana. Usually I am in contact, and also at the Rajput Samaj UK and Australia. So thanks very much. Jai Mataji, Jai Bharatvarsh.